Di ka abot, Ting.
Ay, asa mo?
Okay, we're gonna put this here.
Careful.
Excuse. Everything and scrub the shelves.
What is that? Baliktad. You describe what you are putting inside the...
This is knife. This is the can opener. This is grater.
Great for the great is right.
So let's put on there. They're proper. I will remove the cellophane and I will put back the vegetables inside the wrap. Think about what you reach for the most often and make sure it gets a position that easy to reach.
Take a cabinet full of glasses and line them up by color. Make sure the front are facing and out straight. Yeah.
Take step back after one shelf is done.
Make someone else come look at what you've done.